the washes dried out, then I'll probably take them off. For the washes, I have used a very large flat brush, which is of natural hair. And after that, to get into the wet into wet effect, I used synthetic hairbrush, which is medium size. And sometimes I have used some cheap brush which has got some hard bristles, just because of to get some water surface effect on watercolor. In most cases I'm using natural hair brushes and one of those synthetic hairbrush by Skoda Perla. The color I'm using is cobalt blue with hint of cobalt turquoise. And now I'm just taking off the masking fluid, and as you can see it preserved some whites so that I can use those as highlights for the wave form. Now I started working with that human figure, so I will start from the bottom, and I'm just making this one a bit of more darker just because I want to preserve the highlights on the edges of the boat. I'm just moving on to the upper body part now. I'm making this shirts as warm color, and I'll start doing face. And for face I have used the burnt sienna, a bit of raw sienna mixed, and for hair I'm using a burnt sienna with neutral tint mixed. Same for the beards. I'm just trying to keep some color harmony there, as well as having some wet to wet effect for the transition of one color to another one. Just take a look how I am doing the shadowing part. For the shadowing part I'm using a bit of burnt sienna and raw sienna mixed, and these are important to have some 3D effects. And exactly in the same way I will start doing the other faces, but one thing to remember, my focal point is these two people in the front and a bit of another one in the back. So the farther I will go, I will use lighter values in my colors, and I will paint them a bit of abstract way. For tone purpose here I have used the burnt sienna and raw umber, and for the hair I have added a bit of neutral tint with them to make their value darker. I've started working on the attire. I have used a bit of lavender to neutralize the warm color, because the more I'm going down, it is a bit of cooler. Now I will start doing the figures, which is a bit of farther away, and as you can see, the more I'm moving away, my color choice becoming more abstract. I'm now drawing figures at the back. This is not my focus point, but this plays a significant role to specify my focal point. So I will draw this one a bit of in detail at the moment, but in the end I'll probably add some layering of Chinese white so that it gets unfocused. Just adding a bit of warm color in there as well, and so that it stays out of focus. And also this one is figure in distant, so I'll make it a bit of in abstract way. And there are lots of water splashes and everything there, so it would make some sense that they are not clear enough. And I'll also define the boat's edges and all of the stuff. This figure also in the background, so I'll just make this one as an abstract. Mask needs to be done in one go, so I'm using flat brush, and with quick strokes I try to draw that mask, and I'm just adding some values. This is my main focal point with this figure as well, so I will try to make this area a bit more of darker. I will draw the details in these areas because of the mast and the ropes and the nuts and bolts and all of the stuff. A little bit of detail, I'll just add that one so that it stays there. I will paint this area is very fast way just to show some shadows and crisps on a sail. Take a look at the way I did this mast. It has to be very fast so that it creates some dry brush stroke effect, and the inner part of the sails needs to be painted very fast as well. And then I will start drawing all these wires and ropes and everything. I'm drawing these ropes a bit of carefully so that it just creates some visual effect on that one rather than just quickly vertical strokes. So that it just makes sense. Okay, these are the ropes from the masts and sails. Take a look at that, how I draw the ropes. It has to be shadow in one side, and you need to do some textures in there so that it looks like a realistic rope. So with this one, my whole painting is done. It's quite large painting. It's a full sheet size, which is 75 centimeter by 56 centimeter. So let me know, how do you like it? If you like it, please consider subscribing and give it a like. And if you're after how to draw the figures abstractly or realistic way, there's a free ebook for you guys down in the description. You can find the link. And till then, bye.